What a rare find! Minutes from Lenoir City and Farragut. Your own private woodland oasis. This 3-bed, 3-bath basement ranch has it all. Main level living with 3-bed and 2 baths, and fun living in the basement with a huge rec space, 2-car garage with workshop and storage. So many outdoor living spaces, front deck and back deck, fit pit area, hot tub and screened-in porch. This house is made for indoor and outdoor living. The larger storage shed has electricity and could double as a studio or she shed. The hot tub and screened-in porch make it the ideal place to watch the birds or the stars or the leaves in your private wooded getaway.